Well, welcome to Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed your Monday assignment reading the short story Grounded, which is very short, um, but it did have a theme in it that is going to be continued in today's story, which is a little bit longer. And the theme that we're looking at before we look at anything else is what can different generations learn from each other? And that is the question. That's what um, all of these stories are about. So we're reading two kinds. It's an excerpt from the novel The Joy Luck Club, okay? And this story is about the same thing. Two generations of people in the same family learning something from each other. Here's what I want you to do. Now, first, you have a textbook in your hands, but you also have an online component to this. So you're going to do kind of a hybrid textbook online component thing. And here's how it's going to work. You can listen to this while you read it. You can either read it on the screen, and if you want to make it easy to read, see this little thing that says hide up here? Hide that, and then it's a lot easier to read. Remember, if you don't understand a word, boom, it'll tell you what it means. I don't think it, wait, it'll tell you how to pronounce it too. Very good. So if you need help with any of those words that are blue, you should be able to find them right there. I want you to read the entire thing today. Okay, all I want you to do today is just read this story because we're going to be looking at this story for a couple more days. But the most important thing to do is to just read it. Okay, so that's what today is going to be all about. Just read the story. All right. And if it helps to listen along while the other person reads it, because that helps with fluency and prosody, uh, do that, please. If you want it slower while you read along, you can adjust the speed this way. All right. So I've included the link to this in the assignment that I put on Google Classroom, so you should be able to get to this. Now, when you are done with this, what I want you to do is, let's pretend we're going back to Mr. Merrill's class. So let's pretend like you're in my class, okay? And we're going to go to some classwork. Uh, go here. And remember, view assignment. And then you're going to add or create. Okay, and you're going to create a doc. That is where you're going to write the summary. Now, you're not going to do it on Mr. Merrill's page. You're going to do it on mine. I'm only on Mr. Merrill's page because that's the only one I'm a student, so I can show you how this is done. All right. So do the doc, write at least a paragraph, which should be 6 to 8 sentences, summarizing the story. And you don't have to offer any opinions or anything. All you have to do is just tell me what happened in the story. And that's it for today for ELA. There will be more. We will be doing a lot more with the story, but this is going to be it. So enjoy the story. Take your time with it. And make sure that when you write that summary, you include what you think are the most important aspects of the story. Um, of the story. All right. Okay.